Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your ASUS account to access warranty services, product registration, and support, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the ASUS official website at asus.com and locate the Member Center or Sign-in option in the top navigation menu. Step 2. Click Join Now or Create Account to begin the registration process for your ASUS Member Center account. Step 3. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and provide basic information such as your name and country of residence. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from ASUS Member Center. This email is sent immediately after you complete registration. Step 5. Open the verification email from ASUS and click on the confirmation link provided to verify your email address. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder, or log in to your ASUS account and request a new verification email. Step 7. Once your email is verified, complete your member profile by adding additional information such as your phone number, address, and product preferences. Step 8. Register your ASUS products by adding product serial numbers to your account. This enables warranty coverage and access to product-specific support. Step 9. Find the product serial number on your ASUS device, typically located on the bottom of laptops, back of monitors, or in the device settings. Step 10. Enter the serial number in the product registration section of your ASUS Member Center account and confirm the product details. Step 11. Once your account is verified and products are registered, you can access warranty information, download drivers and software, and contact ASUS support for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.